Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use function keys on your LENOVO 14e Chromebook. So we have 10 function keys in total on our Chromebook. The first two are used to go to the previous and the next page. The third one is to refresh or reload the page. The fourth one is used to put an application on a full screen. The fifth is used to switch between different desktops. The following two are for adjusting your brightness. This one for decreasing it, and this one for increasing the brightness. The eighth one is for muting our audio. The ninth one is for decreasing the audio level, and the last one is for increasing it. And so yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.